Russian escalation, and it depends on
our Jinapa boys,
and military voices
Samladi,
accepting that NATO involvement is a good thing, a positive thing. So there's something to run. But at the moment, next week, NATO, on 16th, they are concerned with defending their own territory. NATO picking up defenses in order to protect itself from any Russian skill.
1,800.
So with this conflict of Ukraine asking for an invasion of NATO and other and NATO insisting that it's doing as much as it can to the world,
Yes, that's true.
Really, I think.
NATO as a huge military organization getting involved, because that would escalate the situation and Ukraine is so I imagine much more.
So what's the alternative then if they cannot send B-29 jets directly? And potentially you don't know about this service.
I'm not alone.
Sending equipment to help.
I think the alternative must be